case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, a case between Queen City Pizza Inc. and Domino's Pizza Inc. was heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. The lawsuit was filed by 11 Domino's Pizza franchisees and the International Franchise Advisory Council, Inc. They accused Domino's Pizza Inc. of antitrust violations, breach of contract, and interfering with contractual relations. These plaintiffs claimed that the relevant market was the aftermarket for Domino's approved supplies, and the pizza company forced them to buy unwanted supplies while employing an illegal tie-in arrangement. The district court dismissed the antitrust claims as they could not identify a valid and relevant market for antitrust purposes. When the plaintiffs appealed, the appellate court agreed with the district court's findings and rejected the antitrust claims, stating that Domino's approved supplies were interchangeable with other pizza supplies outside the proposed relevant market. The court also dismissed other claims made by the plaintiffs, deeming them to lack merit, and argued that the franchisee agreement played a crucial role in maintaining product uniformity and consistency, which ultimately benefited both the franchisor and franchisees. The Court of Appeals affirmed the district court's dismissal of federal antitrust claims with prejudice, as the plaintiffs were unable to establish a relevant market for antitrust purposes. The claims were determined to be contractual in nature, not antitrust, and the court declined to exercise supplemental jurisdiction over state law contract claims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.